What happens in our bodies when we experience a hiccup attack? Hiccups occur when the diaphragm, a muscle that aids breathing, spasms involuntarily, sending a quick rush of air into the vocal cords. This reflex can be triggered by a variety of factors, such as drinking carbonated beverages, eating too quickly, or sudden temperature changes. Although often annoying, hiccups can serve as a reminder of the complex interplay within our bodies. In rare cases, persistent hiccups can indicate underlying health issues, drawing attention to their more serious implications. Despite their absurdity, these brief interruptions in our lives highlight the fascinating nature of human physiology and the mysteries still left to uncover.